In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a phone number from Temu. If you want to update your account privacy settings or simply remove an old contact number from your Temu profile, this guide will walk you through the process in a clear and easy-to-follow way. Your phone number is usually linked to your account for security, order updates, and verification purposes, so making changes should be done carefully to avoid losing access to important notifications or login options. To begin, open the Temu app on your mobile device or visit the Temu website using your browser. Once the homepage loads, sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Make sure you use the correct login details so you can access your account settings without any issues. After signing in, navigate to your account area, often labeled as the You section or Profile section. This is where you can manage your personal details, including your name, email address, shipping information, and phone number. Once you are inside your profile settings, look for the option related to account information or personal details. Next, locate the phone number field within your account settings. When you tap on it, you should see options to edit, replace, or remove the number depending on what the system allows. In many cases, platforms like Temu require at least one active contact method for security reasons, so instead of fully removing the number, you may need to replace it with a different one if the system does not allow it to be left blank. If editing is allowed, carefully delete the existing phone number and confirm the changes. If a replacement is required, enter the new number and follow any verification steps that appear on the screen. This may include a confirmation code sent to your phone or email to ensure that the update is authorized. Once you have made the changes, always make sure to save or confirm your updated information before exiting the settings page. This ensures that your account reflects the latest details and prevents any issues with order notifications or login verification in the future. If you find that the option to remove your phone number is not available, you may need to contact Temu customer support through the Help or Support section of the app for further assistance. And that's how you can manage or remove a phone number from your Temu account in a safe and proper way. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.